Tadano Corporation, a pioneer in Japan's crane industry. Imagine a colossal machine, capable of moving hundreds of tons with astonishing precision, raising skyscrapers, or even rescuing ancient statues from the ravages of time. This is the story of Tadano, a leader in Japanese crane making. From a small workshop in 1919 to one of the world's most respected names, Tadano stands for Japanese innovation and perseverance. In this video, we'll trace the company's eventful history, examine its successes and challenges, introduce its revolutionary products, and explore the role it has played in major global events. Join us for this inspiring story, whether you love heavy machinery, or you're fascinated by a brand's journey to global success. The Tadano story began in 1919, when Masuo Tadano, a creative, forward-thinking engineer, opened a small workshop in Takamatsu, originally focused on road construction equipment. After World War II, in 1948, he formally founded Tadano Company, Limited, and boldly entered the complex world of crane manufacturing. Early members of the team, including the Tadano family and notably Hiroki Tadano, Masuo's son, played key roles in guiding the company. A turning point came in 1955, when Tadano designed and produced Japan's first hydraulic crane, an innovation that transformed the crane industry. For experts, that technology, using advanced hydraulic systems, increased lifting capacity by up to 10 tons, and significantly raised safety standards. Tadano has an impressive record of achievements. One standout accomplishment was the role its cranes played in re-erecting the Moai statues on Easter Island in 1989, a delicate project that showcased Tadano's technical abilities under demanding conditions. With continual innovations, such as the AML, automatic moment limiter, to prevent tipping, and the development of all-electric, zero-emission cranes, the company has kept its leadership. The GR1000XL model, with a 100-ton capacity and a 51-meter boom, is among the best-selling units, while the TG500E, with advanced design and Mitsubishi engines, is known as one of the top all-purpose mobile cranes. In 1994, Tadano earned ISO 9001 certification, and by reducing the use of CFCs it demonstrated a commitment to environmental sustainability. Like any industry leader, Tadano has faced challenges. In 2004, an unfortunate accident in Okayama, caused by a failure in the suspension system of a rough-terrain crane, led to multi-million yen compensation and a redesign of safety systems. Though difficult, that incident spurred continuous improvements in design. During the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011, Tadano cranes worked tirelessly at the heart of the crisis, moving heavy equipment and supporting rescue and cleanup operations. The global recession of 2008 also hit sales, but Tadano overcame it by focusing on innovation and expanding into new markets. Tadano's product range covers a wide variety of mobile cranes, including all-terrain, rough terrain, and crawler cranes. A flagship model is the ATF 400G6, with a 400-ton capacity and advanced technology, used on massive projects around the world. The GR series, including the GR 1000XL, accounts for roughly 60% of sales. With standard maintenance, these cranes have a service life of 20 to 30 years, or more than 10,000 operating hours, and with refurbishment they can serve up to 40 years. Tadano, to ensure durability, employs powerful Mitsubishi and Nissan engines. Tadano's manufacturing plants are located in Japan, Takamatsu, Shido, Germany, the United States, Thailand, and India. The company maintains a strong presence in the markets of Japan, North America, Europe, and Asia, and competes with major firms such as Germany's Liebherr, the United States' Manitowoc, and Japan's Kato. In addition to cranes, Tadano manufactures aerial work platforms. Its cranes have been used on NASA projects and to move heavy military equipment, although the company does not engage directly in the military sector. After merging with Demag in 2019, Tadano became the world's largest manufacturer of all-terrain cranes. According to reports from 2024, Tadano has not only maintained its market position, but is shaping the future of the industry with a focus on electric cranes and AI-based technologies. Tadano shows us that with innovation, persistence, and learning from challenges, a bright future can be built. Dear viewers, what is your take on this Japanese giant? If you've had experience with Tadano cranes, please share it in the comments.